Hello students. Now today I give you the answers of thinking about text from our lesson The Snake and the Mirror. Now here you see question number 1 is discuss in pairs and answer each questions below in short paragraphs in 30 to 40 words. Now in question number 1, the sound was a familiar one. What sound did the doctor hear? What did he think it was? How many times did he hear it? Find the places in the text when and why did the sound stop. So answer is, the rats made a lot of noise as they ran to and fro the beam. It was a familiar sound. The doctor thought the rats were making that noise. He heard this sound 3 times. The sound stopped when the doctor sat down on the chair. Perhaps the rats too had stopped running about due to the fear of the snake. Question number 2. What 2 important and earth-shaking decisions did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? So the answer is, the doctor decided to look handsome. He decided to shave daily and grow a thin mustache. And the second earth-shaking decision was to keep smiling always. Question number 3. I looked into the mirror and smiled, says the doctor. A little later he says, I forget my danger and smiled feebly at myself. What is the doctor's opinion about himself when he first smiles and second he smiles again? In what way do his thoughts change in between and why? Now answer is, when the doctor looked into the mirror, he smiled because he thought he was an attractive bachelor and doctor. The next time he smiled at himself because he felt he was a poor, stupid doctor. Now his vanity had changed into humility. Now go to the question number 2. This story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. What makes it humorous? Think of the contrast it presents between dreams and reality. Some of them are listed below. Now, first one is the kind of person the doctor is. Now the story is humorous because a poor doctor has big dreams. He is a homeopath. He has no money. He has just started his practice. He lives in a small rented room infested with rats. His vest is dirty. He has only one coat. Second, the kind of person he wants to be in appearance or in ambition. The doctor is a bachelor. Probably he has ordinary looks. In second question, first, the person he wants to marry. Now he wants to be a wealthy by marrying a wealthy doctor with good practice. But he wants to marry a fat woman. He knows that a wealthy wife will have an upper hand. If he makes a mistake and run away, the fat wife will not be able to catch him. What a funny idea. Second, the person he actually marries, he could not marry a doctor. He could marry a slim woman who could run faster than him. Third, his thought when he looks into the mirror. Now when he looks into the mirror, he feels he can look more handsome if he shaves daily, grows a thin mustaches and keeps smiling all the time. Second, his thought when the snake is coiled around his arm. Now, as the poor doctor was lost in such fantasy, he had a terrifying experience. A snake fell from the beam above and fell on him. In no time, the snake wound itself round his arm. The doctor was petrified. All his vanity left him. He felt he was a poor, stupid person. He prayed to God to help him. Luckily, the snake was attracted to its own image in the mirror. It left the doctor and slithered onto the table. The doctor heaved a sigh of relief. He ran to a friend's house to save his life. Next day, the poor doctor found that whatever he had was stolen in the night. Only his dirty vest was left behind. It was a reminder to him what he actually was. Presumably, he never became rich. Now, thus the story is made humorous by presenting a contrast between dream and reality. So students, these are the answers of your thinking about text. And in next video, we write about thinking about language.